Hello guys, welcome back to my estate video. This is really fantastic news for everybody in estate because we are getting the mobile app launch in the next 2 weeks, guys. So be ready, especially those that are agents that are introducing estate to the wider community. Right now is the time for us to get to work because the mobile app is going to make things a little bit easier for everybody in estate. Whether you are looking to join estate or you are already a member of estate, the mobile app is going to be awesome. It's going to make things a lot more easy for everybody. So estate is looking to launch the mobile app first on Google Play. Okay, so if you have Android phone, you will be able to download the mobile app on Google Play. And then after that, it will be followed by the Apple Store. Okay, so once we have the Apple Store, which means estate have covered both Android and Apple phone, which is great. Okay, so there are a lot of benefits that comes with the mobile app. Okay, for those of you that are not really familiar with app, let me quickly go through some of those key benefits for this app that we are looking to get in the next 2 weeks. So first of all, it is going to allow us to onboard members smoothly, easily, and very fast. The speed of registration is going to be faster than how we used to register right now. Okay, and as you know, every single mobile phone have camera. So with the camera, that will instantly identify the verification process, which is the KYC that we are doing. Okay, and then it's going to give us the ability to upload our document as well very easily. You will be able to use the camera to scan your document like your passport or your driver's license. You upload it very quickly and then you complete your selfie as well. Okay, and it's going to open up the platform to an international audience, allowing users worldwide to manage portfolios directly from their mobile phones without needing a desktop or even a laptop. Right now, another benefit that we are going to get is going to enable investors to browse institutional grade properties, okay, and able to purchase those fractional properties and complete all the transaction on the go. You do not have to go and look for your laptop or your desktop. Another thing that we are going to benefit from this app is going to drive higher retention and faster user action through real-time push notification for new property listings. Okay, and the way they are going to be doing the payouts, the marketing update, everything is going to be slick once the mobile app is launched. Now, one other big advantage that we have is the biometric security. So it's going to maximize our account safety as well by implementing the native mobile phone security that we have already. Okay, so we have those security features in our mobile phone, like the Face ID, Touch ID, the two-factor authenticator. All of this is going to make it a lot more slicker, faster, easier for us to use, right? And finally, is going to provide intuitive, interactive mobile dashboards that gives investors a clear at-a-glance view of their passive income earnings and asset performance. So the benefits of having the mobile phone is immense. The good news is once it is launched, everything will be like, piece of cake for us. So get ready, guys. This is coming in 2 weeks time. I just thought I should let you guys know to prepare you guys. Remember, it is first of all the Android phones, and then afterwards we will now go into the Apple phones, where you guys will be able to download it in the Apple Store as well. But let's wait and see what is going to happen in the next 2 weeks, because we are all excited about the mobile app launch in the next 2 weeks. So stay tuned, and God bless. Keep growing, keep recruiting, and keep progressing in eEstate. For those that are looking to join eEstate, the link to join is below this video description. Now, remember also that right now you are watching this video, they are also doing some promo, and the promo is buy one get one free. So basically, if you purchase a property that is worth 1,000 minimum, you will get another property in the Venetian Villa for 1,000. If you do more than 1,000, you will still get 100% match in Venetian Villa. That is how sweet the promo is. So guys, this offer is going to last until 3rd of September. If you have not taken advantage of this offer, please do so immediately after watching this video, right? Thank you, and God bless.